So we're at the Hickory Hills Campground near Bath, New York, and it's actually between Bath and Hammondsport. And right now we're on the playground, as you can see back here. So if you can see there, that thing is cool. It is a jumping pillow. Woohoo! Tessa made it on top. Oh man! That's cool! She's okay, she can come over here. It'll be easier for her to get on. Sailor's already loving it. She's not even on. Isn't that cool? I think that's really fun.
A plane, huh? Show me how it works. Show me how it works. Oh, I love it. I love it. Show me how yours works, Tessa. Wow! Wow!
Exactly. So Kobe's got to sit tight for a second. Once you get these guys buckled in, we'll get you in. Okay, climb on in there. Alright, so.
Alright, girls, come on. Okay, can you wave bye to Dad?
Bye, Daddy! Bye, Daddy! Bye, Daddy! Bye, Daddy! Bye, Daddy!
There he goes. Going on a seaplane ride.
So we just got off the Finger Lakes seaplane flight, and man, what a beautiful day. It is hot out there, and so the plane's a little bit heavy, but a couple of really good pilots knowing how to do what we needed to do to get up and down, and there they loaded some planes onto the ramp, but had a great time with Finger Lakes seaplanes today, and holy cow, look at this beautiful day.
Is he back? And where did he go?
Where did I go? Did I go flying? In a plane? You say that? Plane?
High up here. Die!
Yeah, I did.
Yes.
I went flying up in the sky. It was so fun.
Yes.
Thanks for letting me go. Yeah.
I think we got it. Wow. There you go. Good
Like
job.
a butterfly.
I want to do clouds.
Okay. Do you want to draw the clouds on it, or do you want to put the clouds in?
Show me again, Tessa. Show me. Show me how your airplane flies. Wow. Oh, man. No, we're not going to play with it.
So that's called pitch when you go up and down. Good. So pitch back. Pitch back. See how it goes like that? Pitch forward. Good. Yeah, that's the roll. Okay, so roll to the left. Roll to the right. Okay, good. Now, do your yaw. So yaw. That's the pedals. Your yaw is what brings it side to side. There you go. So rock to the right and to the left. Move your shoulders right and left. See that? So that moves the ailerons. Good. Okay, now push the wheel away from you. Okay, and that moves the elevator at the very back. See that? It's on the tail. Okay, now turn the wheel. And that's the rudder. That moves the rudder on the very back and the tail.
Show me how it works. Show me how you can fly, Tessa. Do you have your pilot's license?
Yeah.
You do? Perfect. Then go fly. Yeah.
I saw Daddy.
Ride your bike.
Daddy.
Okay, show me.
So we made it into the restaurant and they sat us down, and you can see how we're all just so crammed in here, but it is not for lack of space at our table. It's simply probably because we're used to being all really close together. Yay! So, a family that dines together stays together.
The Statue of Liberty.
We are going to the Statue of Liberty. And it rained all night last night and it's cold. Thus we have donned our full-on winter gear and just caught the ferry from New Jersey and looking for the ferry probably from here to go over to the Statue of Liberty. But, oh, and today's my birthday, so New York City isn't a bad birthday present. There's New York City skyline. Empire State Building, I think is right there. It was cool earlier because off the side of this building over here, I took a picture while we were waiting for that ferry, and you could see the Empire State Building reflected on it through all the glass. Hey girls, do you see it over there? Raise your right hand.
Dama.
Mommy and Tessa and Becky.
Promise
Promise
to preserve,
to preserve,
protect,
protect,
and
and
share
share
cultural
Welcome.
and historical resources.
The chalk people.
I want to do it.
Oh, there you are.
Watch out, please. Oh, look. There's your spot.
Cynthia's I've been trying to use just for like a day.
Hey, Blakely.
This
This fun?
They're hiring a lot.
Where are we?
We're in New York City.
Yes, Times Square, huh? Cool. Look at all the cool lights. Yeah. Where are my M&Ms, Tessa?
I don't know.
You don't know where my M&Ms are? Were there M&Ms in that bag?
No.
Yeah, no, yeah, tell the truth. Yes.
Did you eat all the M&Ms?
birthday to Paige.
Man.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Paige. Happy birthday to you.
There's my birthday cake. Tessa, what did you get?
A strawberry one.
Yummy. And you, Blakely?
I got a strawberry ice one.
Nice. Oh, I got a New York cheesecake one. Because we're in New York. All right. Our last night in New York City. We just got off of a Broadway show.
Feels like the first date all year.
First date all year. There you go. But we are at the World Trade Center getting ready to take the PATH train to New Jersey. And we've quite enjoyed our time here.
Yes, we have.
And it's really late. We're tired.